guys, today I'm going to talk to you a bit about how to create a series and parallel circuit. First of all, you're going to need a bunch of batteries with a bunch of inputs. As you can see on mine, you can see a couple. Then you're going to need some wire to attach to those inputs, like so. And I'm using a switch today. You don't have to, but I chose this one. It's pretty simple and it's pretty easy to use. Next, you're going to need a load, of course, with two inputs, like right here and here. This one is pretty small, but I think it'll work for what I'm using. Now I'm going to create a series circuit. As you can see, I'm using batteries, wires, a switch, and a load. The basics to creating one. I first connect my first wire to one of the inputs of the battery like so. Then connect the end of the wire to the input of the switch. As you can see, I am then getting another wire to connect to the switch again to lead electricity through. Yep. Look. I am then connecting that wire to the load that I am using. After connecting that wire to the load, I'm connecting another wire to the load once more. As you can see, I am then connecting that final wire to the end input of the battery. And as you can see, the electricity flows through the batteries to the load, powering it. I'm now decreasing the amount of energy coming into the load, as you can see. That's because I'm not using as much energy from the batteries as possible. I'm increasing the input here to show you that that was the lowest possible energy. And voila! And we're on to another type of circuit. Parallel circuit. You're going to need a bunch of batteries, or just one. That goes with any type of circuit. But in this case, you're going to need a whole bunch of wires, as you can see. In this case, I am using 3 switches, but you can use as many as you like. I'm also using 2 loads. I'm then attaching the first wire to the input of the batteries, and then connecting that to a switch. I am then attaching another wire to that switch. Right there. I am then attaching a load to that wire. Right there. And then I'm getting one more wire and connecting it to the load once more and leaving it there. I'm then getting another wire and connecting it to that switch. I am then connecting that wire to a tiny little switch right there. This will still be able to make the electricity flow through. Then getting another wire and connecting it to that other switch. Then getting another load and connecting the wire to the load once more, as you can see. And once more getting another wire and connecting it to that same load right there. I'm then getting another switch and getting both loose wires and connecting from the first input and the back input of it. And this is almost done, so I am then getting one more wire. This is the final wire, and connecting it to the back of the switch. And then connecting it to the battery input. This should make the parallel circuit work. If not, check everything. Check if there's dead batteries or anything. In this case, mine did work, as you can see. I am then experimenting and showing you that once you lift one of the switches, that one turns off, but that one stays on. And now if you turn off that switch, that one turns off, so the whole thing's dead. But then I turn it back on and on and on, and so forth. And that's it for parallel circuits. And if you're really wanting to go deeper into circuits, try and work on fitcolorado.com to help with circuits.